Ever been on a ride, the wind blasting your ears and you're thinking, my head is about to explode? I used to think earplugs were for soft riders, until hearing how many riders get tinnitus because of that.
A little less than 10 years ago, the tinnitus started. You know, now I've got the ring and there's just nothing you can do about it really.
I didn't want that, so I tried regular earplugs, but they kept falling out and were uncomfortable. So we made our own motorcycle earplugs. These turn down a ton of that harsh wind noise, but still let you hear enough sound of your bike and traffic to stay safe. It's like the harsh wind noise gets turned down and you can finally enjoy the ride. That means no more ringing ears and way less fatigue on those long rides. So trust me, it's worth it.